Leaders with Victor Central Schools are thanking authorities for their quick response this week after a high schooler was accused of having a BB gun and a bullet on school grounds. Deputies say school administrators got a tip that a student may have a weapon on campus Wednesday. They add it was an SRO who found a pellet gun, BBs, and a .22 caliber bullet in the backpack.
First, a thank you to the security professionals that work in our district, along with our school resource officer, the faculty and staff at the high school and the Ontario County Sheriff's Office for their quick response to the safety situation yesterday. They were exceptional. We have a robust security team, and I think because of that, we were able to act swiftly yesterday, and we appreciate the work of all the professionals.
As for a criminal case, no word yet on the exact charges the student could face.
Get the Rochester First streaming app today for everything you love from News 8 On Demand, plus exclusive shows you won't see anywhere else. Search ROC and download for free on Roku, Amazon Fire, and Apple TV.